Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the DaVinci Speed Editor. This powerful tool is designed to accelerate your editing process, making complex tasks simpler and faster. With its intuitive layout and dedicated controls, you can navigate your timeline, perform precise cuts, and apply transitions with remarkable efficiency. It's built to integrate smoothly with DaVinci Resolve, offering a tactile and responsive experience that enhances your creative flow and saves you valuable time on every project. Let's explore some essential controls. The large jog shuttle wheel provides tactile feedback for scrubbing through footage with incredible precision, allowing you to find exact frames. You'll find dedicated buttons for common edits like cut, dissolve, and smooth cut, enabling you to apply transitions in just one or two presses. The source tape and smart insert functions revolutionize how you bring clips into your timeline, making assembly edits much faster and more intuitive. The Speed Editor dramatically streamlines your editing workflow. You can rapidly mark in and out points for your clips, then perform ripple overwrite or append edits with a single button press, saving dozens of clicks. Adjusting clip duration or speed is also incredibly intuitive, allowing for quick creative decisions. Furthermore, the search dial isn't just for navigation. It also allows for fine-tuning parameters like volume levels or transition durations with precise control. To truly master the DaVinci Speed Editor, consider these advanced tips. While many buttons are fixed, some can be customized to suit your unique workflow, enhancing your personal efficiency. For multi-camera projects, the sync bin feature is invaluable, allowing you to quickly align and switch between up to 16 camera angles. Consistent practice will help you build muscle memory, making your editing process incredibly fluid and allowing you to harness the full power of this remarkable device.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.